Ziroc Diaphire VZ. Directly back to Olympic medalist Sapphire. This Colt, Ziroc Diaphire VZ, unites first-class Grand Prix and sports stallions with a successful Belgian dam line. On the dam side, this line traces in the fourth generation back to McLean Ward's former top horse Sapphire, with whom he has won Olympic team medals and placed fifth at the Beijing Olympics. Grand Dame Immensa Z is a half-sister to the international 155-level performer Kellerhose Consano, ridden by Kayla Janri Gertenbach. Sire Zirocco Blue VDL competed in the Olympics with Jur Vreeling and has sired top-level performers like Eddie Blue, Elysium, Glamour Girl and Sucro HV.